Hey guys, this is scubachris here. I'm going to help you save money today. I'm going to teach you how I reverse spool my line on my spinning reels. Watch this. Oh man, it's a hot day today. I would have to do this on a really muggy day. Okay, look up there. Now that is a picture of a UV damaged line. Okay, that line is badly damaged, and if I continued using it on a decent sized fish, it would have broke. So instead of throwing that line away, we're gonna reverse it. Alrighty. Now what happens when you reverse it? That means the line on the bottom that's closest to the spool itself will be on the top. Now look, see how beautiful that line looks now? It's because it's been reversed. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you 3 spools, okay? So I got this marked as beginning, and there's another tag called the end. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put this on another reel that's gonna be empty. This one has some line on it anyway, but it's gonna be empty. So we're just going to, should have made this a little shorter, would have been easier. There you go. Okay, so now we just took off line off the original spool. We put it on one spool. Now the end, see it says end over there, and so if you would look at the real thing, this braid here would be bright blue because I'm using blue braid. It'd be bright blue showing like that. So what we're gonna do is go to the second spool. We're gonna put this on to the second empty spool, twirl it around. Okay, it just broke off here, but it says beginning, all right? That was the beginning of the original spool. So this here's the beginning. Now we're gonna put that back on the original. We're doing this 3 times. This is the only way this will work, all right? So we're putting it back on the original spool. And look what it's gonna say, N. N means that on the original spool, the bright blue line that was on the bottom that's adhering to the inside of the spool is now on the top, all right? So that is what we wanted to do. Now, if the line's totally destroyed, you can't do it. But because on that reel there, that had 350 yards of 50-pound braid on it. So I never really got to even 1/3 of the way down. So the line was cherry. I got away with that, and you can too. You just have to look at your line and figuring out if you can save it or not. But this is the system. You go from the original to the second to the third, and from the third back to the original. And as you can see here, it says N. So you just reverse spool this spool, and you just saved a ton of money, because if I had to pay for this with taxes here in Hawaii, this would have been almost $50 just for this one to buy more line. But because I reverse spooled it, I saved myself that much. I can't do that with all my reels, but with this one I did. So hopefully you should be able to save some money with my tips. Thank you.